Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to be bringing back a very popular no glue slime recipe that you guys seem to love and you guys have been requesting over and over again. This is no glue water slime. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to make it, how it requires no glue, no activator, and it's super easy to make. After all that rambling, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... So please leave a like and subscribe to KawaiiToyCollectorShop and comment down below. Give us some new ideas. Let's get right into the video. No glue water slime is definitely one of my favorite no glue slime recipes. It's super easy to make. It literally only needs 2 ingredients. So let's get making it today. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is, of course, water. This will need any type of shampoo, body wash, or soap. I'm just using this one right here from the Dollar Tree. You need a bowler plate to make your slime in. Last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Like I said, this recipe is so easy to make. I'm not even joking, you guys. I've been making this recipe for years, and today I'm just going to show you guys how to make it once again, but in a more simple and more easier way. I'm first going to start out by adding the soap into my bowler plate. I just have this blue soap today I have from the Dollar Tree, and it's the color I want. If you want a different color, definitely add some food coloring into there. I'm going to get out my water, and I'm going to add a little bit into there. More than I guess a quarter of the actual water in there, but you do want more soap instead of water. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna mixing it up. Oh my gosh, holy. Make sure you mix it properly and not messy like me, but you just want to mix it up, and if it seems watered down, that will not create the slime to be thick and stuff, so that's why you're gonna add a little bit more soap if it seems to be watery. Want to mix it for about a minute to maybe even 3 minutes. You just want to make it super bubbly. That's definitely enough mixing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. So what the fridge is going to do, it's going to thicken up the soap into a slime putty texture. And this is when it comes in that there is no glue, no activator, and it's super easy because all you have to do is put it into your refrigerator. So put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, and when it's done, you will see a really cool slime texture. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. All right, guys, 2 to 3 hours later, here is the actual soap slime. Oh my gosh. This turned out so great. And it smells so good too because of the body wash. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I knew this recipe would turn out amazing. It's definitely one of my favorite no glue slime recipes, and this is how you make a water slime. Obviously, you guys can't make slime out of just water. If you thought that, then that's kind of crazy, because how could you do that? I mean, soap is more of the whole thing. It's more seen the glue for this recipe. So this is how you make no glue water slime. It's super great, super easy to make, and definitely one of my favorite no glue slime recipes ever. It's just such a great recipe. I love this recipe so much. I really hope you guys try it out today and test it out. If it doesn't work for you, please put it in the comments down below. I'll try to give some suggestions how to fix this. But overall, it's a super easy recipe. And if you have some more recipes you guys want to try out, or you want me to try out, please put it in the comments down below again. We of course need all the bubble pops. I mean, the noises are kind of gross though, low-key. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to KawaiiToyCollectorShop in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much in peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!